everybody, I am Nikki from Doug and Nikki, and we have here the piano that we're gonna unbox and check out. It is perfect, I think, for beginners, somebody who knows a little bit, but I was excited to put it in our house. Our 21-year-old daughter is moving back in, very musically inclined. She has a cello, she loves other instruments, so I thought this is great to have this as well. So we're gonna ask Doug to set it up. I'm gonna show you what it's like, and then we're gonna test it out.
Okay, so these straps, it's not really clear how you get them on here, but you just ask your wife and she yanks this off the end, slides on, that's all there is to it. Okay, so it comes with this really nice padded bag that actually has a really nice pocket on the outside, so you can put like the power supply, that kind of stuff in it. Let's talk about some of the key features. Okay, so this piano here has 88 weighted keys, so they do feel kind of semi-real, like as if it was a real piano. It's got 25-watt stereo speakers, which is super cool. That's so cool. I just like that right there. I could already tell the speaker. It's made out of really nice ABS plastic. The purple thing is for my magic tricks after. That's what that's for.
We didn't know, so that's why we got it.
I think it looks pretty. So I'm not a piano player, but I could tell you some of the cool features about this is if you hit the keys lightly, it's light, and if you bang it hard, it gets louder just like a real piano would. It has 64 demo songs if you want to practice and learn those basics. It has 128 different rhythms. Personally, I am a huge fan of the bossa nova. I did not find it yet, but I assure you by the time I'm done, I will make Nikki nuts with the bossa nova here in the house. It has a pedal down below. I used to love driving my mom crazy with our real piano in our house back in the day. I'd sit there with those pedals and just bang away on the pedals, and she hated that. So a couple other things you would want to know, especially for beginners, this is great because it has a function where you can connect it with Bluetooth, so you can record and play along with lessons like that. You can also stop, start, record what you're playing and play it back for yourself. If you happen to live in a house where your parents aren't so cool and don't want to listen to your learning your piano, which I wish we could do with our daughter's viola, but we cannot do that, you can plug in, there are 2 sets of headset plugs here in the back. There's also jacks in for audio, jacks out for audio, as well as a direct connection to your electronic device. Look out. Oh yeah, you didn't think I could do this, did you? Oh yeah, oh yeah. This is so fun. I'm gonna have so much fun here. Are you playing Jingle Bells?
I'm playing Mary Had a Little Lamb.
My thoughts. It's freaking awesome. I don't play the piano, but I think if I were gonna learn to play the piano, and I did have a real piano in my house growing up, so I can tell you these keys do feel like a real piano. The way the tones work, where you play it harder, it's louder, play it softer, it's softer. All that seems very legit and real to me. I love that you can record what you're playing.
And Nikki says our daughter's gonna love it too.
Absolutely.
We
Anyway.
both give this a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score.
This is gonna be so fun.